Have you heard about the new UI that we do have in Satellite 6.16? Not yet? So if not, this is the right video for you. Hi there. In today's video, let's talk about one new UI that was implemented on Satellite 6.16. Eventually, you did already the upgrade to your Satellite 6.16, but you didn't notice this already, the new feature. So let me show you how this works and how you can change this for good. Before we move it on, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you believe this is valid or it is providing some nice content to you, your subscription will be very welcome. Don't forget to take your preferred beverage, have a seat, and let's enjoy the video. This is our satellite 6.16. So let me show you this. If we click on hosts, all hosts, this is the regular view that you do have already right now if you are already on 6.16. And basically what happened here is you can click on the server, on the content host, you can take a look on the page, the information. And if you like to do some operation in general, you have to click over here, and then we do have the select action drop down menu, and then you can pick any of them. All right, this is one way. You can see here now a new UI button. So let's click over there and check this out. This is the new UI that we do have in Satellite 6.16. This is not there by default, but we can change the configuration in a way that when you access this page, this can be your default visualization. Okay, cool. Let's take a look on some of the new stuff that we do have here. The manage column, this is basically the same as before. You can add some additional information here. So for instance, let me get rid of this left menu. Let's suppose that I would like to see my content view and my lifecycle environment. So I can click on manage column. I can scroll down. We have content, lifecycle environment, and content view. I can hit save. And from now, I can see my lifecycle environment and my content view as well. Okay, this is good. Not too much change over here. You can see that we still with the scheduled job. So let me pick this node 1. We have some information here, but the main point that I would like to get your attention is these 3 dots. So basically, I can change this machine to a build state. Let's suppose that I would like to reprovision this server. I can click over here and do this configuration or this change. I can change the host group. Basically, I can just pick the host group and select. For instance, we can see that we do have the host group column over here, and there is no host group associated with this node. So let's suppose that I would like to change the host group. I can definitely select this one, and voila. Now this machine is set to that specific host group. And let's say that you would like to remove that host group or unset that host group. You can click on the 3 dots, change host group, and then just keep this blank, and that's okay. Hit save, and voila. Now the host group is unset to that server. So any operation that I do here, you can do this with multiple servers as well. You can use the search if you like to create some filter, or you can just pick all the entries over here. For instance, something like this. But let me pick 2, and then let's change the host group just for the sake of this video. So there you go. We have the host group assigned to all of them. And if I would like to unset or remove that configuration, we can see also the number of hosts over here, how many hosts I do have. Then there you go. Okay, this is for host group. Then we do have this manage content, and here is the beauty. Like here is a nice place to play because now we can manage packets, we can manage errata, content source, and content view environments. So again, you can select multiple servers and you can do any operation that you can see here, including delete. But I'm gonna use just one machine for this time, just to show you how this can work, okay? So let's pick packets. In packets, I can upgrade all packets, I can upgrade some packets, I can install, and I can remove. So I'm not gonna upgrade all this package at this moment. Let me show you here behind. This is the node 1. Yum. Okay, DNF, I hear you saying, hey Wally, not anymore yum. DNF updates. I will not update just to see the number of packets that we do have available. see 73 packets, and we install 3 new packets. If I like to update this machine to get the latest version, I can use this one, upgrade all packets, and this is gonna bump my machine to the latest version of all the packets. So all of them should be installed. I can upgrade packets, and here I can select which package I would like to update or upgrade. I can install new packets and I can remove some packets. So let's do some of them. Upgrade packets. From here we have this list. Let me pick one that we can update. Okay, let's play with cur. RPM-Q cur. Let me clean up my screen. We can see the version is 7.61.1-34. So here you can also play with the filters if you like to, like the name equals something, or you can just type the name of the package and press enter, and then this will filter out. We know that the package is cur. I would like to update cur. Let's hit next. Okay, this is my machine. This is row 8. Just a review in this page, and then let's click on next. Here we can see what will happen, like packets to be updated, cur. We have the host just one because I selected just one host, and I can update this using remote execution or customize a remote execution. Let's say that I would like to change something in the remote execution, then definitely I can pick this one. If my remote execution is working fine, no need at all. I can just pick this one and that's it. So let's upgrade. A task could be created. Let me open this task in a new tab. We can see the task over here. If you like to see some preview what will happen, it's like yum-y update cur. This is the command that's gonna be executed. So let's click on the server, and there you go. From here you can also click on this toggle command, and then we can see the command that will be executed on the client. But we can take a look. Check this out. Cur, then 7.61.1-34. So let's take a look over here. Check this out. Now with RPM-Q cur, we can see the version is 7.61.1-34. However, there is a slight difference here. This is EL8 and this one is EL8 underscore 10.2. So definitely we have a new version. But if you take a look, check this out. Cur and also libcur was updated. And why is that? Probably because the libcur is a dependence of cur. Okay, so as you can see, we have this information over here. We have all these steps, and this is great. And we did just using the new UI. Cool. Let's do one more test. Let me manage the package. I'm going to install a new package. And the package I like to install is iptref-ng. I can press enter. I can see the package over here. Hey Wally, is iptref-ng installed? iptref. Let me clean up the screen. This package is not installed yet, and if you're enjoying this video, you can just subscribe right now. It will be easy, quick. I can wait for you. Go on. Thank you. So you can pick iptref-ng right here, select next. And again, this is just a review. This will be one package. This is the server, the base OS from that specific server. Next, what will happen? The package that will be installed. If you're installing multiple packets, then you should be able to see the multiple packets in this list. Remote execution, that's it, install. So let's open this task. This is a new one. Let me close the old one. We can also click on old one here and see what is going on under the hood. And then there you go. Now we can see iptref-ng, installing, verified, install products, and install. So this is telling us that the package was installed properly. So let's take a look. There you go. Now we have iptref-ng, and this was installed properly. Cool, huh? Okay, can I remove a package? Let's give it a shot. 3 dots, manage content, packets, remove package, or remove packets. Which package I would like to remove? iptref-ng, the package that was installed right now, or a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago, I should say. So let's click on next. Again, just a review. And once again, we have the package that will be removed from the server. Let's remove. One more time, we can see the task from here. We can open this in a new tab. We can scroll down. If you wish, you can wait here just to see like this ending, and then you can see like the whole output. If you like to follow what's going on, definitely you can click on the link below and you can see all these steps. This page will be updated like live, okay? So we can see that satellite was able to call that client, and then we can see removing iptref-ng, that version, and the package got removed. Can we confirm that? Definitely we can. rpm-qa iptref. And sometimes I get people asking, hey, why are you doing two commands instead of one? Because you could be doing something like this. rpm-q iptref-ng. Yeah, I would say I'm used to do this one. QA is gonna print all the information, all the packets that we do have, and then I'm grabbing iptref. Eventually, if I have iptref, iptref-ng, iptref something else, or something, iptref something, this command is gonna get all of them for me. So once I work with troubleshooting every single day, all the time, then yes, this is more wide and then will give me some additional information. But you're right, like for this specific scenario, rpm-q iptref-ng should be like very, very well accepted or should works fine, okay? Cool, let's close this one. What else? At this moment, let's talk about Errata. So let's click on the three dots, manage content, Errata. So let's suppose that in this page, you can see like we have 19,531 errata just listed over here. Hey Wally, you are saying that this machine node 1 has all those errata available right now? Not at all. I believe there is a room here for improvement, but let me show you this. Let me cancel this screen. Let me open this server in a new tab. There you go. Here we can see 34 errata. Okay, let's open errata. Let's do one quick exercise. I'm pretty sure and pretty confident that this errata is available to this system because we can see this is the code, and check this out. We have installable is yes. Okay, so let me copy this errata. Let's apply the errata one more time. And from here, I can filter by this errata. For example, if I type ID equal the same code, so let's take a look on this errata. There we are. So we have this errata. This is about SSSD. Then I can pick this errata. I can set next. The server is the same. The server in question that we are applying the errata, the version 8.10. Here we can see the review. This is going to apply one errata and the host is the same. Similar as before, like this can be via remote execution or some custom remote execution. Let's keep the same. Let's hit apply. A new task will get created. Let's take a look on that task. Let me close the previous tab. And from here, this will be a little bit different. If we take a look on preview templates, we can see that this one is applying errata, like yum-y update minimal -- advisory equal the code of that errata. This is one way to see what's going on under the hood. And if we open this machine, check this out. Now we have the outputs, like upgrading some packets regarding to the SSSD. This is the package that we asked to update with that errata. And we can see a bunch of packets got upgraded as well. Okay. All right, let's come back to the web UI. So if we get manage contents, errata, and see all of them. Again, I'm gonna probably fill a request for enhancement because I believe we should be able to see some applicable or installable option here. But again, let's suppose that you like to update all the errata on your machine. Then there you go. You can pick all of them and then select next. What will happen is for all the packets that are available, these will be updated. For all the packets that are not available or they are not matching with this system, they will just skip. But I agree, we should be precise here. We should be doing something like this. For example, now we can see 33. And if I pick one specific server, I would like to see only the 33 errata that are on this list in that page. So fear not, I'm gonna request a request for enhancement, just an improvement for that feature. But again, we can see over here that we can manage errata as well. Okay. Next one, content source. So check this out. Before I go there, we have this node 1. We know that node 1 is getting content from library, and the content view is the full organization view. So let's change the content source. Again, one host. I can do this to multiple hosts. Let's select which content source. I would like to keep this machine getting content from satellite. The environment will be library. I can pick one specific lifecycle environment. For example, let's play dev. And underneath dev, I would like to my machine to be getting content from compose the content view Acme rel 8. And then there you go. I can run a job invocation or I can update my host manually. And what is that? I can just go to the machine and just do a refresh in a way to see what's going on or to see the new content. Let's create a job invocation and then check this out. The job category is Catello. Job templates, configure host to the new content source. Then let's click on run on selected host. If you like to see what's going on, preview templates, and then there you go. We have a lot of stuff happening here. Let's click on the machine. Okay, successfully updated system facts. If you like to see the command, you can also click on toggle. And let's click back on host our hosts. Let's take a look on node 1 once again. Then now you can see this is dev, Acme. This is nice. This is great. Let me show another feature. Let's come back to the new UI. Manage contents. Select the node 1. 3 dots. Manage contents. Content view environments. Similar idea. I can pick my dev. Let's change this to CV rel 8. And then there you go. So once I do this, let me open this machine in a new tab. There is no need to do any additional operation in that server, in that content host. And then you can see here, this machine is on dev and also on content view rel 8 on that specific version. So two ways to do like achieve the same goal. The first one is gonna do some additional stuff because we'll deploy some additional configuration, okay? Here we can see that we still on dev and CCV, but this is probably a cache. So let's reload this page. There you go. So we have dev, CV, R8. If I like to change this back to my default organization view in library, let's pick the server, 3 dots, manage, content view environments, and then I can pick my library, default organization view. And then boom, save. There is a task. Okay, let's skip the task now. Let's just reload this page. Then there you go, library, default organization view. Okay, Wally, what else? Basically, we have those 4 features. You can change the host group as we saw before. You can change this to build management. As I said before, if it is a machine that you like to rebuild, let's give it a shot. Build management. I would like to build, put in build state and reboot. I'm not gonna reboot this machine, but let's take a look on build and confirm. Okay, build one system. Where can I confirm if this machine is on build state? So you can check over here. See, cancel build. That means that this machine is already on build state. So when doing this, a lot of configuration files will be ready under the hood just in a way that you can restart this machine and then the provisioning process can happen, okay? Again, I don't want to reprovision this machine. I'm gonna cancel this build. I can cancel from here, as you saw. Let's take a look if we can cancel from the new UI as well. I don't know. Let's learn together. So new UI, node 1, build management, builds. Okay, let's open this here. Then we can check the status. We can see cancel build. So it is on build state. If we click on the three dots, build management, I can't see any way to cancel from here. Again, I believe to be interesting a way to cancel from this page once we are allowing the build management. I'm gonna request like a new feature for this one, or maybe improvement. I believe that will be very welcome. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Like if the cancel build should be here or not, all right? But at this moment, there is no way to cancel from here, I would say. So definitely we can come back to this page and let me cancel on at this point. There we go. Okay, to close up this video, as I said before, this is not the standard visualization. Anytime that you came and click on all hosts, you can see the old one, the old visualization. How can I put that new visualization in place? So you can scroll down, administer, settings. From here, you can search by new, and then you can see a lot of things with new. The one that we are talking specifically is this one, show new host overview page. And then this by default no, because we like not to change this in the newer version. Like there is a new button, new UI, and then you can get used to it. You can understand how this works, like the new feature, and eventually this will be your standard visualization. But at this moment, if you like to change, definitely you can access this page, settings, general. You can filter by new, and you can see in general, this one over here, show new host overview page. Or if you just access this page, general, so let's search by show new host overview page. This is the one. So you can just click on this drop down menu, select yes, submit, then let's give it a try. Hosts, all hosts. Then there you go. Now we have the new visualization in place by default. This is your new visualization. Okay? That's it, guys. This video today was just to show this new feature, which is pretty cool. If you are already using this one, let me know in the comments. I will love to hear what you are thinking, something that you are missing, something that you like to improve or add. Like, let me know in the comments, and then definitely I can try to help, like submitting a new request for enhancement, maybe work on this feature. For sure, will be amazing to hear from you. What are your thoughts and what do you think to be the best in this specific page? Okay, if this channel is providing nice content and you are enjoying, again, don't forget to subscribe. This will help me to keep creating content, push me hard to talk about new topics, new contents, new information. Again, you will be very welcome to share your idea, feedbacks, and also feel free to join us in our Discord channel. So go over there. We'll be glad to have you around. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.